Jammie Dodgers. 100 g soft butter, 175 g castor sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1 egg, 200 grams plain flour. Add all ingredients to a food processor and blitz until it clumps around blade. Divide dough into 2 halves. Wrap in cling film. Chill for 10 minutes. Roll out between 2 sheets of baking parchment until the thickness of a €2 coin. Cut out biscuits using a 6 cm cutter. Slide a baking tray under parchment. Bake for 7 to 8 minutes at 170 fan. Allow to cool for 5 minutes on the tray, then transfer to a wire rack. Sandwich together with seedless raspberry jam.